everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with unknown USB device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head toward your Start menu, right click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and go to Device Manager. After that, the tab of Device Manager will open. In this tab, at the bottom, you can see Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Now here, it does not show error in any one of it, but if it does to yours, right click on that driver and you can see that the Windows at stop will be appeared in the details. So go to Details, choose the option of Instant Path and copy this path. After that, go all the way back, click Window plus R key to open this tab and type regedit to go to registry. Allow the permission and then now this application will open. Then go to Edge key local machine, go to system, then after current control set, choose the option of enum. After that at the top simply type backslash and paste the path which we just copied of the driver. Then click on enter and double click on the driver which is selected below. Go to device parameter, click on this empty space and go to new. Then choose the option of dword 32-bit value and here simply type Enhance Power Management Enabled. Type exactly how I have shown in this screen here. Then click on enter. Now once this has been created, you are suggested to restart your device and then you will be able to see your USB connected. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.